back again. Okay, so right now we're going to create 3 sites. So we're doing it as task. We'll create 3 sites, listening on port 80, but working with name resolution, not DNS, but name resolution. And so the 3 sites we are going to create, the first site will be double today today.local, for instance. The second site will be yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Yesterday.local. And the third site will be tomorrow. Let me write here. Oops. Tomorrow.local. So you're going to create 3 sites, and all of them will be listening on port 80. So the Apache will listen on port 80 and will do the name resolution. So first create 3 virtual hosts, or you could create just one. You can create just one virtual host with the 3 sites inside. But let's create the 3 sites. So you're going to use this one as the first one. So we're going to copy -VA. It says V, it's verbose. A, it stands with all the information, not information. All it's missing the word. All the requests they have in the site, and then we're going to create my first site will create to today.local.conf. Okay, then we'll open today, and right now is going to listen on port 80. Okay, and since we're going to change my first site for today, this is one of the good things that Vim or VI has. You can change, locate and change all the information. You can just do escape, and then here on the command line you write %, S for search. Search for what? For my first site, and then you write the string that you want to replace with. So it will be today, right? So this is all the information that you need. And after, in order to Apache to listen to name, you must give another directive. The directory will be name virtual host, and then you say the virtual host. So we'll say today.local, and if you want you can also place the port where the service will be listening to. So this is the information that you need. So you create this one. Let me put it inside our document, create. So first of all, what we've done is copy, and then we do this, copy, and this is the content of the file, and the content of file will be cat today. We'll write into doc, and here we have control page down, oops, control end, here it is. Okay, so you create the first site, then you create the second one, copy -va today to yesterday.local.conf. okay, vim yesterday, and then we do the same thing, percentage search today, we're going to change for yesterday. Okay, it's done. So escape, we'll copy, we cut yesterday, send it to doc. Before, let me copy this, oops, let me copy this, copy, create, so one creates 3 virtual hosts, so 1.1, second virtual host, and here it is, copy the file, and this is the content of the file. And let's send it inside, control page down, control end, and then going to the third, the second, the third site will be almost the same. Let's copy, third virtual host, and we'll do just the same. So we'll do copy, instead of yesterday, tomorrow. Okay, and then vim tomorrow, oops, vim tomorrow, tomorrow, let me copy this. I will put also here how you can locate and substitute strings, content of the file, and then enter. So 2 points, percentage search, you're going to look for today, and you're going to substitute with tomorrow. Tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. And we have changed it. I'm going to cat tomorrow, send directly to doc, and reload, control end, yeah. And here, and right now note we got an ampersand somewhere else here. So note, locate and substitute text in Vim. You'll do just like this. This is the procedure. You'll press escape, then you'll press 2 points, then percentage search. This will be string, old string, old string, and then new string that you want to replace. Okay, and therefore you will change string. Okay, so after you create a virtual host. Let's create document root and index files for all the 3 sites. So you can just do mkappadir -p var double 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 double. One is today dot local, right? Another one will be one is today dot local. Another will be yesterday dot local, and the third one will be tomorrow. Okay, so you create the all of the 3, and now we'll make an echo, just a header, h1, saying today's site we'll send it to var double 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 dot today and index html. Okay, so it's missing here the bigger sign. So today, and then you'll do yesterday's site. We'll send it to yesterday. Okay, and also tomorrow we'll go to tomorrow site. Tomorrow. Okay, so you'll do this, and also we'll do an echo. Okay, I'm going to copy all of this document. So you have created also the index files and 3 place URL of the sites in the etc host file. Hey, any problem down there? So you'll do echo 127. Today it's 15.1, so we'll say it's 10, and today dot local. We'll send it back to etc host file, and 11 will be for tomorrow, and 12 will be for yesterday. Okay, and after, so you create almost everything, and we don't need to open the doors since it will be working on port 80, and probably we don't need to worry about the security Linux. So let's restart the site, restart the service, and we'll do systemctl restart httpd, and I'm thinking probably it's okay, and we can test locally on our server. 5 test locally and on a client. So locally we'll today dot local, yeah, and tomorrow, yeah, and yesterday. So right now the service is listening on port 80 for 3 sites, and the resolution of those sites will be by name. This is the normal situation that you find out there on the field. Now let's go to the client, and on the client, since we don't have no DNS server, what's happening here? Since we don't have no DNS here, it's frozen. Since we don't have no DNS server, we're going to use the hosts from Windows. So you will open another window, but you have to do it with administrative rights. So you have to run as administrator, and then you go to Notepad, and this is all the way, I'll write all the way where the host file is, Windows System 32, then drivers, and then etc. And here you have a host file, or the host files, and you had 3 lines here. Let me come here. Oh, not this one, sorry, this one. And note add on hosts client file. I'm going to take this hosts client file, 3 entrances for those sites. So you'll do this, oops, and paste. No, let me check if I can copy from one virtual machine to another. This will be enter. Let me open here another notebook, notepad. Hello. Yes, let me check. Paste. Yeah, let me copy again. I think I can copy between sites, or I will write it down. Yeah, I write it down. So on Windows, as administrator, or someone else who has permissions to write on this file, you'll do Notepad, see Windows System 32, drivers, etc. And then you have hosts, and here you add 3 lines. This is because you don't have no DNS working, okay? So the lines that you are going to add, they will be just like this. Not this one, sorry. But here, on the other window, enter. And right now, this is the same file, okay? Well, the DNS service that begins in Berkeley as bind, Berkeley information name daemon, also became because there was a problem substituting the host files. So you'll say that will be 128.10.250 today.local, and then you have tomorrow, and then you have yesterday. Okay, so save the file, and right now go to your browser, and in your browser you'll write today.local, and you're not logging in. Why? You are not accessing to this file. Why not? Today.local. Wait a second, let me check. It's 250, right? What's the IP address of this IP address? No, it's 200. Okay, this is the problem. It's 200. My mistake. This is 200, not 250. It's another. This is 200, 200, 200. Okay, I'm going to save it again. Yeah, so F5, press. Think today.local. Yeah. So today, and then you have tomorrow.local, and then you have yesterday.local. So right now you have 3 sites on the same server working at the same port, but the Apache will resolve to a different site according to the name that you write here on the browser's command line. So here, and this is finished. So let me just write 3 lines. We wrote 192.168.10.200 today.local. This is IP address of the server. This is of course, if you have a DNS server, you have to put in canonical name or another record address, IPv4 in this case. Today, tomorrow, you have to put it on the DNS, so that, and yesterday. Okay, and we finished by now. We'll be back with another videos. I'm just going to stop.